Hello students, welcome to your value education class. The brave old farmer. Here, so many pictures are there, 4 pictures. So here, good Ria, your timely act will help save the puppy's life. Okay, so actually you can see that here, this doctor is a vet. And here this girl is taken a small puppy because it was hurt by someone or by some accidents. So it had taken, so girl has taken to this one, the animals hospitals. So he is a veterinary doctor. And number 2, I hurt him accidentally. I'm really sorry. Obviously, accident can happen. But you should tell sorry. You should have a habit. This is a good habit. If you are not habit, you should grow this habit to tell sorry. If you are telling sorry to anyone, it will not hurt you, okay, and also not anyone. They will be very happy and you are having a good quality. Next one, I want to be a doctor when I grow up. This way I can help a lot of people. So being a doctor means that not earning a money. Okay, so being a doctor means to help lot of people, like our country in India. Okay, and next, Eid Mubarak, brother. Same to you, brother. Not only this, look, this is a Brahmin and this is a Muslim. So whatever in our country, like this India, this is a secular country. So here, secular country like India, we should have a brother and sister like this, any religion. So that caste, creed and religion, we know that everybody is same here. So this is our India. So India is a secular country. So we should enjoy Eid and also at the same time in Durga Puja and also the Christmas. Okay? So next we go to the story. The brave old farmer. The story is from a beautiful village by the sea in Japan called Samrat. In this village lived an old farmer called Akio. This is a Japan, no? So names are like this, Japanese. He lived all alone. His farmhouse was located high up on the plateau overlooking on the village. So plateau, you know that? So there's also valley like this, that's a plateau. Akio was very kind, caring, thoughtful person. This is also quality. So quality of a person, caring, thoughtful person. He was always concerned about his fellow villagers and their well-being. So concern means he was thinking about their villagers, and fellow being means his companion, friends and those who are staying with him. One afternoon, Akio went near the seashore, as he always did in the afternoon. The sky was overcast with clouds. Overcast means just filled with clouds. And the water was green. She was quite rough that day. Suddenly, to his horror, the tide changed his direction. Tide, you know, high tide and low tide. High tide, that changed his direction. Water started receding from the shore. Means that is coming to the shore. Akio at once understood what was happening. This was not new for him. He remembered how his village had once faced a similar situation. Because they are staying or living near the sea, they know the weather of the sea. And he was also remembered how his grandfather's wit and courage had saved his family and many villagers. These had happened when he was a child. He knew his grandfather also once saved his villagers. So he can know and he can think also that times, that knowledge. The sea will become a monster within a few minutes. Monster means like the giant. And I must warn the people who are on the shore to move away, thought Akio, alarmed. Many villagers had come to the shore to see what was happening to the water? The water is going back. But why is this happening? Does anyone know? Asked a young girl. No one could answer her. There were far too many people on the shore. It was impossible for Akayo to warn everybody. Akayo knew that there was hardly any time to tell the villagers as he was planning to do. So everybody he cannot go and tell that. So he was thinking his plan. Thinking of a plan, Akayo ran uphill to the farm as fast his old hill he just went. Only legs could carry him. The farm was only thing Akayo had. Without wasting time, Akayo set fire the rice growing on his field. Look, that rice that is growing. He just burned some fire. As soon as the fire started and smoke rose, all the villagers came running to help Akayo. Run fast, old Akayo must be in trouble. Because they loved Akayo. They cried. To their surprise, they saw Akayo simply standing and watching his farm burn to ashes. Why? Akayo was quite safe. Then why is watching the rice crop burn to ashes? Asked one man. Old Akayo must have gone mad. Just then there was a loud noise. It was the sea. Tall waves of black water lashed the shore and their village was washed away in a second. They were in hill, so they saved. The sea kept on roaring, the waves kept storming the shore for many hours. A tsunami was struck. Do you know what was tsunami? And tsunami was the earthquake just inside the sea. And everything was finished, the crops, the herds, the cattle. But the people were alive because they are on the plateau with Akayo. It was then they realized that Akayo had saved their lives by burning the rice field. Akayo is not mad. He has saved our lives, gasped a woman. He knew that a tsunami was coming. He burned the field so that we could climb the plateau and move away from the shore, said a man. Then all of them together raised Akayo on their shoulders and shouted, Akayo, you are a great man. Thank you for saving our lives. People remember Akayo because of his sacrifice. Even today people tell tales of Akayo kindness, presence of mind to their children. So everybody should have the presence of mind and also at the same time they should have good thought. Do you know, in Andaman also there's a tsunami. But there, the tribes of the Andaman, they also saved their life like this. Because they knew the sound of the sea. They can know when the sea will be mad, when the tsunami is coming. They actually don't know the term of tsunami, but they know that sea is mad. So last time when the tsunami came, most of the tribes, they saved their lives. Like this, also, Akayo also saved their lives of the villagers. So please read the story and I think you will like the story. And you will be also thoughtful person like, you will be try to be a thoughtful person like Akayo. This story will help you how you will be a great man. Okay, beta? Thank you. Have a nice day.